What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back with another music update. And today, gang, we are in Trinidad with a sad update. Today I'm coming, this is breaking news, I'm coming with sad news. Unfortunately, seems a few hours ago, according to Twitter, I haven't seen it on any major news outlets yet. According to Twitter, Going Global Records producer was shot dead last night on Carlos Street in Trinidad, Woodbrook, in a failed assassination attempt on Trinidad artist Kman 6ix's life. Okay, gang. So yeah, a few hours ago I heard about a shooting, man, and I was on Kman 6ixx, and I've been wondering, yo, what's going on, what happened to him, or anything like that. We haven't gotten any update, but just a few minutes ago we got an update from Gotta Love Nest 69 on Twitter, and yeah, it's showing that according to this, allegedly Going Global Records producer was shot dead last night on Carlos Street, Woodbrook, in a failed assassination attempt on artist Kman 6ixx, man. You know, and this is a real sad news. You know what I'm saying? My heart goes out, and my heart and condolences go out to the families of the victim. It goes out to the Glowing Global producer, and to Kman 6ixx as well. It's a sad time. We was actually just discussing this the other day on stream. Me, Jamaica's Worst Gamer Reacts, and Tyreek Reacts, aka Reaction Boss. We're talking about it, man. I was wondering, like, yo, is it going crazy? And we was talking about the war in Trinidad and how, you know, the artists are actually dying, and how much it reminds us of Chirac, Chicago. You know what I'm saying? How much it reminds us so much of Chicago, and, you know, the drill war that be going on. Yeah, man. So it's very sad times we're living in. But let's check out some of the pictures, man. I'm guessing this is the Going Global Records producer. By the way, Going Global is doing some great work in Trinidad when it comes to dancehall music. You know what I'm saying? I'm guessing this is the guy behind it all. You feel me? Behind those good music that we've been hearing, such as No Lethal, We Done Ready. You know what I'm saying? A lot of the yeah. So he's doing great work, man. So yeah, man. Unfortunately, man, it seems that this is it. So yeah, so Hamadai 461, Kivar Avin Nandram, DJ Global, man. Man is dead, bro. Damn. Man, this man doing some great work in the country, yo. Some great music he making, bro. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, so according to I guess it's Times Square. Yeah, at 5:45 p.m. November 10th, 2023. It should say actually October 10th, 2023. Homicide number 460 around 11 p.m. last night, Tuesday, October 10, 2023. Gunmen opened fire on a Toyota Fielder wagon at the intersection of Carlos Saint and Ariapita Avenue, Woodbrook. The wagon then crashed into a parked car. On check-in, mine ID as 20-year-old Kivar Avin Nandram, aka DJ Global, was found shot dead on the driver's seat. Two other men were also injured. One is said to be a man known as local dancer artist Kman 6ixx. Investigator also allegedly found a loaded gun in the wagon, man. So damn. And I guess this is footage from what happened. So let's check it out. Yeah, you can see gunshot all in the screen, man. You know what I'm saying? All in the, if you look right here at the window, you can see all gunshots, man. And in the back right here. That's crazy, gang. Damn, man. Jaja, come on, coffee, yeah, bro. They taking so long, man. Man, that's sad to hear and sad to see, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, cause we just talking about it the other day, man. We was wondering, yo, what's going on in Trinidad, the dancehall scene. You know what I'm saying? I was talking about, yo, Kman 6ixx is definitely one of the top artists to look out for. He's on the forefront right now. He's up and coming. And we're talking about DJ Global and how he's putting in the work for the culture, man. You know what I'm saying? So it's sad to see this happen, bro. But, you know, unfortunately, it's like we was kind of seeing it coming because every time an artist trying to kind of get hot in Trinidad and about to like take off, once they mix up in this 6, 7, 8, and 9 thing, yeah, bro, it's like crazy, man. And DJ Global producer, man, that's just making good music out here. That I don't think he's caught up in any of this gang stuff. You know what I'm saying? But he's dead now, man, and he's a producer behind a lot of the good hits, bro. You see me? I say, yeah, man. The man just dropped a couple project with Walker Dan. He dropped a project with Kman 6ixx. So he's putting in work out here, bro. Yeah, man. He just did the Kman 6ixx Big League EP, and he did the Long Live Walker Dan tape. You know what I'm saying? And he working with other artists for more songs to be dropped, bro. So man, sad to see this happen, bro. Sad to see them go. Sad to see DJ Global go, bro. He was definitely making waves in Trinidad, bro. Yeah, man, he's behind a lot of these hits, and Kman 6ixx was definitely up next, bro. No cap, bro. So, man, I wish Kman 6ixx a speedy recovery. Condolences to DJ Global's family and to Kman 6ixx as well. You know what I'm saying? Condolences to the family. My prayers go out with y'all. I hope everything's okay, man. But this is a sad thing to see. And yeah, we're going to stand by and wait for the update, gang. So as soon as we hear anything else, I'll be back here to update you. Okay? So, see, yeah, man. So it's sad to see, but you don't know, gang. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.